Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
2-minute garlic shrimp. Diced garlic. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Use deveined and deshelled shrimpies, or you can do it yourself. 1.5 cups of shrimp, about 20. Cook 1 to 2 minutes until just pink and remove. Two-minute garlic shrimp. Shrimp and grits pizza.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.